If you're looking for a private cloud solution to store, share, and collaborate on files, you have probably come across Nextcloud and OwnCloud. Both are pre-open source and platform that let you take control of your data instead of relying on your service like Google Drive or Dropbox. But which one is better for you? In this video, we will compare Nextcloud and OwnCloud in detail, covering features, ease of use, performance, and pricing, so you can decide which fits your needs best. So let's start with a quick background. Let's start with OwnCloud here. OwnCloud was launched first back in 2010 as one of the earliest self-hosted cloud platform. It became popular among businesses and individuals who wanted data privacy. In 2016, some of the original developers branched off and created Nextcloud, a fork of OwnCloud. Since then, Nextcloud has grown rapidly and is now one of the most widely used open source collaboration tool. So, what do they have in common? Both platforms let you set up your own private cloud servers. You can upload, share, and sync files across devices, collaborate with others, and integrate with third-party apps. Both support desktops and mobile clients, encryption, and access control. And most importantly, both gives you full ownership of your data. Now let's dive into the difference. First, a feature that Nextcloud goes beyond file syncing and sharing. It has built-in tools for team collaboration like chats, video calls, calendar, email, and project management, all in one platform. That is a great thing. It has a solid core but relies more on extensions and integrations for advanced features. If you want all-in-one collaboration suite, Nextcloud offer more out of the box. Next, usability. Both platforms have modern web-based dashboards. However, Nextcloud tends to update more frequently and has smoother interface. It feels closer to Google Workspace or Microsoft 365, which makes it easier for teams to adopt. OwnCloud is reliable, but its interface can feel a bit more dated and less polished compared to Nextcloud. When it's come to performance, both depends heavily on your server setup. In general, Nextcloud has more features which can mean slightly heavier resources used. OwnCloud is lighter and may run faster on small servers with limited resources. So if you're setting up on a low-powered machines on a small VPS, OwnCloud can be more efficient. Security is a big factor. Both platform takes it seriously, offering end-to-end encryption and two-factor authentication and detailed access control. However, Nextcloud is known for pushing security updates faster and offering advanced features like passwordless login and file access restriction based on conditions. Now let's talk about the community and support. Since Nextcloud was forked from OwnCloud, its community has grown larger and more active. It has bigger marketplace of apps and faster release cycles. OwnCloud still has a dedicated user base and offers strong enterprise support, but Nextcloud ecosystem is generally more vibrant and innovative. Now, if you talk about the pricing, so let's go and check this here. Both are open source and free to self-host. If you want enterprise support, both offers paid plans. OwnCloud Enterprise Edition is often chosen by a large organization that wants stability and professional support. Nextcloud also offers enterprise support, but is especially attractive to small teams because of its active community and rapid feature growth. So which one should you choose? If your main goal is to simple file storage and sharing with strong stability, OwnCloud may be the best pick. But if you want a modern, all-in-one, vibrant collaboration platform with chats, video calls, calendar, and project management, Nextcloud is a clear winner. This is it. I hope you found this video very useful, and if you did, subscribe.